Hello friends, the title of the video is Occupy Wall Street Movement. Wall Street is an 8-block long street in the financial district of Lower Manhattan in New York City. The term Wall Street has become a metonym for the financial market of United States as a whole. Occupy Wall Street movement started in USA in 2011-12 after the subprime crisis of 2008. It is thought that the USA banking sector or financial sector was responsible for the subprime crisis of 2008. Later on, US government had announced the big bailout packages to rescue the already rich bankers. So, a sense of injustice and widening income gap brought the people on the Wall Street. But exactly what needs to be done? Which law needs to be changed? There was no clarity among the agitators or protesters. Occupy Wall Street movements had no leader and no consensus demand. While it enjoys a lot of passive support, its activist base was very small. In the US, despite the fact that the financial service industry nearly sank the US economy in 2008, that same industry was still managing to blunt the sensible reforms efforts of US Parliament. It was possible because it has so much money to influence the Congress. It seems to have learned nothing, so people were angry. Dr. Graeber, who is recently died, became a major voice in the emerging Occupy Wall Street movements. He helped to coin the movement's catchy slogan, "We are the 99%, as a way to highlight the vast amount of wealth controlled by richest 1% of the population. More crucially, he helped to lead a meeting in which it was determined that movement's decision would be made by consensus rather than hierarchical fashion. To conclude, Occupy Wall Street movement spreaded to other parts of the developed countries like Europe and Australia and so on. But developing countries like India was not affected by it. Thank you for watching my video.